Tab plus Enter no longer taking me to first Google search result in Chrome. As the title says, I used to be able to press Tab plus Enter in Chrome to take me to the first search result. This now only works if I am not signed into my Google account. When signed in, I can't do it. It works fine, signed in and not, on Firefox. I believe this may have stopped working since a system update. I'm using Ubuntu 12.10, Chrome 23.0.1271.64. Is this to do with a setting within Google, or is it something within Chrome? Because it works in Firefox, it suggests it is a Chrome problem. I tried disabling all extensions, but no joy.
These no longer work as Google have removed this feature, so you can't just turn it out like you used to be able to. The way you used to be able to do this was through Google Search and GT, Settings and GT, Search Settings and GT, Google Instant Prediction and GT, on. But it no longer works. I was so sad to see this feature go that I wrote a hack to re-engineer it. So far it only works with Google Chrome, but can be adapted to work with all the others. Install Chrome extension shortkeys. Click on the Shortkeys menu and select Options. Click on Add and fill in the following fields. Keyboard shortcut, Tab. Behavior, Run JavaScript. Label as Result Picker. Paste the following JavaScript into the JavaScript code to run. Configure the activation settings. Active while in form fields, checked. Websites, only specific sites. URLs, 1 per line, www.google. This is what the options page should look like. Click Save and then close your browser. Instructions. When you restart, you should see a little blue, or black, and GT appear by search results when you hit Tab. The up/down arrow keys make it cycle through the results. Hitting Enter will navigate to the highlighted result. Hitting Ctrl+Enter to open the result in a new tab. Happy searching!
This can be fixed by editing your search preferences, or the cookie that is set for them. In my case, it was caused by Google Instant being set to off. Turning it back on returned the tab to first result, and the up and down arrow keys to cycle through results behaviors. Others found deleting the relevant cookie worked. It's something to do with search prefs in general, as I get the desired behavior in incognito mode even when Google Instant is on. See Google Product Forums post for discussion. ==update==. I've just found that merely opening an incognito, private window and then closing it restores this behavior for normal Windows when it stopped working.
you need to enable Google Instant Predictions. From Search Result Page in GT, Settings and GT, Search Settings and GT, Google Instant Predictions and GT, on.
As of July 31, 2017, Google removed this feature entirely from search. I created the open-source Web Search Navigator extension to fix this and add extra features, like configurable keyboard shortcuts. See installation instructions. Hope you find it useful, but in any case, feedback is welcome.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.